Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. This is Chin Rodriguez from my channel, a faith healer o Zumatarir. So ngayong hapon, natatagyan natin ang sabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. So this is a weekly gabay for the month of December 18 hanggang December 2024 for the sign of Capricorn. So, Capri, welcome sa my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, and spirit guides ang ating masasagot for today's video? Kanino kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Capricorn ng ating mga gilap? So, guys, this reading is a general reading namang hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and the notification bell for more videos updated. Kasi maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawa pag-suporta sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-skip ng ads na wahi pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik-lig-lig na gumapaw na biyayang manabalik sa inyo. So let's see guys, what is the messages advice ng ating angel spirit for the sign of Capricorn. So let's see and watch this. Ano kaya kaganapan sa mga Capricorn ng ating mga hagilap? So guys, ito na. Tunghayan natin paano natin bubulubugin ang eksena mo ngayong linggong to, no? Ano kayang mensahe ng ating angel spirit ang inyong mga mababahagi sa inyo? So let's see. Angel spirit, please give me information po. The Knight of Swords. So, there's something anxiety, sleepless night. So, some of you guys, no, nakakaranas na kayo ng something fear, no? And because this is something of negativities. Talaga, there's a full of negativities dito dahil sa mga negative thoughts, no? Iwasan nyo mag-isip, no? Yung parang feeling mo, ang bigat ng kalooban mo. This is something the King of Cups for devoted for the person. There is something support with the guidance, no? Sinusuportahan ka at pinapangalagaan ka dito ng ating angel spirit. And there's a strength card. Now, there's something confident. Lakasan mo ang loob mo, lakasan mo ang pakiramdam mo. Having confidence. And because this is something that I don't so with the success driven. Now, magsasuccess ka rin at the end of the time. Now, bibigyan linaw sa'yo at magkakaroon ng mga pagbabago na maaaring magdala sa'yo ng something improvement pagdating sa mental health mo. This is something the Page of Pentacles or represented as something of investment, no? Manifestation. Now, na may mga bagay na unti-unti ka na manifest. No? Abot kamay mo nang matatamo kung ano man yung mga bagay na hinangad mo or kagustuhan mo. This is a Knight of Cups with a fish of pumet. So, see? I told you, this is something, an idea in the first opportunities, no? Na magdadala sa iyo ng solid beginning. This is something a wishful fulfillment. So, Knight of Swords represent what? The Page of Cups. So, see, there is something, hallucination or intuition or either illusion, no? Alisin mo yung mga negative thoughts mo na pumapasok sa isipan mo, pakawalan mo yan. No, maaari nagkakaroon ka ng spiritual battle, no? Spiritual something awakening. Parang, kumbaga sinusubukan ka dito about sa spiritual, maraming pumapasok sa utak mo. Maraming pumapasok sa intuitions mo. I think this is something struggles by spiritual development, no? And this is something the Four of Cups by reevaluate or analyze. May mga bagay na kailangang pag-isipan. May mga bagay na kailangan mo i-clear out, no? And this is a strength card represented with the Eight of Swords. There's something of negativity is around you. There's a full of negative like some toxic environment and toxic people around you, especially pagdating sa trabaho, negosyo, hanap buhay mo. No, maraming mga taong negative talaga dyan. Mag-ingat ka sa mga i-offer na ibibigay sa iyo, no? Hindi lahat ng offer tinatanggap. Pag-iisipang mabuti ng wasto at tama. What is the Knight of Swords? Represent the Three of Swords in reverse. So this is something recovery. Now, makaka-recover ka ng something pain, makaka-recover ka na for mental health, na mawawala sa yung worries mo mawawala na yung anxieties mo, mawawala na yung depression mo. What is the Page of Pentacles represent what? With the Knight of Wands. This is something slowly but surely, no? Kumbaga mabagal man, but this is something a solid beginning, no? Kumbaga may paghubog no? This is something evolution, no? Kumbaga unti-unti nang binabago yung sarili mo. Pananaw, cycle, sistema, lahat ng mga bagay na yung babaguhin yan. And this is something solid investment for your own sake. This is something a new beginning talaga na mailalatag sa'yo. No, this is something arise, no? Parang maaring suminag, no? Or maaaring magbukas ulit ng mga bagong opportunities with you. With the Knight of Cups, represent with the Two of Swords, there's something decision that you need to make, no? Kailangan mo na magdesisyon, no? Kumbaga, hindi naman binabase ang material material thing for become a happiness or something na maging masaya ka. No, hindi puro material. This is something something peaceful, happiness, like parang mawawala na yung worries mo, mawawala na yung I think this is something na about sa nangyayari sa pagdating sa relationship or even sa health mo. No, nagkakaroon ka ng pangamba, kailangan mo pakawalan yan kasi utak mo lang yung nagpapagulo dyan. No, or either may gumugulo sa utak mo. No, there's just something spiritual battle talaga. Maaaring dito ka tina-target sa utak or sa isip kasi diyan ka mahina. Yan ang magsisilbing kalakasan mo. Kaya diyan ka palalakasin. Kaya mo nararanasan yan lahat ng mga bagay din kasi diyan ka palalakasin ng ating pong may kapal. Kung saan ka mahina, diyan ka talaga tututukan. So what is the Knight of Swords? In the Page of Cups, there's a something Ten of Pentacles. So this is something a security and for long term. See, this is something unexpected na mangyayari sa buhay mo at yung mga bagay na pangamba or something takot mo mapapalitan ng something financial windfall. Na maaari magkaroon ka ng masaganang buhay o masaganang ani na pagdating sa finances. So let's see what is the King of Cups and because that the Four of Cups. There's the star card for healing. So some of you guys magkakaroon talaga ng healing and this is something a miracle na may mga kumaga unexpected shift, no? Biglang pagbabago pagdating sa estado sa buhay. No, kaya magtataka bakit bigla kang inangat, bigla kang binago. Some of you, this is something a transgender woman. May nasense ako dito with the transgender kasi nasabi ko bakla. So it means there is something a transgender woman na maaaring na-involve dito or maaaring related ka dito. So let's see. Now, what is, or either bisexual, what is the strength request, the Eight of Swords? Represent what? With an Ace of Cups, it's something a love over. So, see, this is something a karmic relationship, guys. No, pero there's something a change for a twin flame energy. No? Kumbaga, marami kayong pinagdaanan with your love life, but eventually, guys, this is something a change. No? Magbabago siya na mapapalitan ng twin flame and of course, the soulmate. And also soul ties. What is the Knight of Swords because the Three of Swords? Nire-represent with a judgment. This is a wake-up call for you. No? Parang ginigising ka sa katotohanan na you need to pay attention. No? Kailangan mo nang pakawalan yung mga iniisip mo, yung nagpapagulo sa utak mo. What is the Page of Pentacles and the Knight of Wands? Represent with that word card. There's something trouble, guys. No, investment or something opportunities na magdadala sa within international or by local. There's something success and trouble, accomplishments, and of course, there's a lot of completions, no? A fulfillment, rather. What is the Knight of Cups and the Two of Swords? What is the Knight of Cups and the Two of Swords? There's the Queen of Cups by healing. Emotional healing talaga, guys. No, malaking factor ng emotional healing dito. There's something security pagdating sa sarili mo. No, kung unti-unti mo nang aalagaan at mamahalin yung sarili mo dito. What is the outcome? What is the outcome is the Five of Pentacles in reverse. So this is something recovery from financial. No, or something of poverty na maaaring makakaraos ka na, tapos ka na sa mga utang mo, sa mga bayarin mo. This is something na maaaring magkakaroon ng improvement pagdating sa finances. And this is the King of Wands, something ambition. Bibigyan ka ng mas malinaw na kaisipan dito at papatibayin lahat ng mga ideas mo, lahat ng mga creativities mo, or something information with a job at kumbaga pagdating sa trabaho, negosyo, hanap buhay mo, maaaring magkaroon ng something action or movement. No, magbabago talaga to. What is additional messages tayo? One more card, please. And this is the Queen of Wands by confidence. Lakas mo ang loob mo, lakas mo ang pakiramdam mo. And this is something that Six of Pentacles, give and receiving something by the universe. No, magtutuloy-tuloy na talaga. Pagdating sa pagkakamerahan, magiging balance na siya. This is something solid, balance. No, pagdating naman tayo sa finances and career. Huwag pa rin bukas ang pinto. And this is the Empress card for revert. Na magkakaroon ka rin ng pangalawang branches pagdating sa business industries or either magkakaroon ka ng bagong trabaho. Now, this is something a change when new beginning coming in for you. And this is something that I request with an offer. Proposal. Promotion. There's a lot of changes talaga pagdating sa finances mo. And there's an offer, opportunities, no? I mean, this is din ako na business venture na maaaring magsimula ka ng panibagong business. Ganon. Additional messages tayo pagdating sa love life. And there's a justice card. Oh, see? This is something the death card, no? Pilit man to gustong tapusin ang inyong relasyon. Pilit man gustong sirain to. This is something that transformation that arise, no? Maaring kumaga, imbis na masira, mas lalo pa siyang gumanda. A beautiful disaster na magaganap. And this is a justice card. Justice will be served. Na makukuha mo talaga ang hustisya at nasa inyo ang huling halakak. And this is something that Two of Pentacles, magiging balansin na kayo ng dalawa ng person mo. Magkakaroon na kayo ng give and take. Oh, di ba? Additional messages pagdating sa health. And this is the 7 of Wands, that you are being protected. Protection at pinapangalagaan ka ng ating angel spirit, or you have a protection right now. Now, this is the 3 of Cups. Now, magkakaroon ka ng something celebration or protection at pangalagaan mo with the friendship. Marami kang toxic friends, and there's an evil eye friends, and this is the World card. There's something trouble, and there's a lot of opportunity coming for you, no? Additional messages tayo. Mga pagdating naman tayo sa synchronicities. So, let's see guys, no? Anong ilalantad at ilalayag sa'yo ng ating synchronicities? What is the synchronicity represent what? Represent the reflections, no? Kung mag-aalisin niyo yung salamin sa inyong tahanan, sa higaan, nakatapat sa higaan, iwasan niyo magtapat na mag-reflect ng salamin or any reflection na magre-reflect talaga. Kasi there is something third party involved. Nagkakaroon ng third party daw. And there's additional messages. So this is something retreat. No? Magkakaroon talaga ng kumaga mababago ulit ang eksena nyo. Kumaga there's a disconnect from the world. Kumaga parang makakawala na kayo sa mga toxic. There's a speed. Bibilis na takbo ng eksena nyo. Dalawa ng yung person. Na parang there's a something changes and evolutions. Pagdating sa inyong pagsasama or either pagdating sa relasyon. For yin and yang oracle card, represent what? And there's a spirit guide with the ancestors, no? Kumbaga sinasabi dito, ginagabayan ka ng iyong mahal sa buhay, or there's a spirit guide na ginagabayan. And this is something na losses, may mga bagay na aalisin at may mga bagay na mawawala sa buhay mo. Kumbaga, this is something a beautiful way. No? Kaya inaalis yan is an opportunity na para linisin yung nasa paligid mo. Kasi may naririnig ang ating Panginoon at may mga bagay na nakikita ang ating Panginoon na hindi makakabuti sa iyo. Maaaring tinatraidor ka, binabackstab ka, there's a lot of chismosa, inggitera na malapit sa iyo. And this is something, see, I told you, spying, looking, watching at you. See, sinusubaybayan ka, maraming mata na nakatingin sa'yo. Oh my God, I told you so. What is the magical fairy messages represent what? Magical fairy messages represent what? There is something, a new career. I told you so. Magkakaroon ka talaga ng panibagong career. And this is a job opportunities with the success directions. Ganon. What is the Romance Angels pagdating sa buhay pag-ibig for Mystic Love Oracle deck? I told you. This is something snake. Na mag-ingat ka. May mga nagbabalat kayo. May mga taong ahas. No, minsan na nag-trader sa'yo. Minsan nang kumbaga inahas ka. Ang ahas kahit magbalat pa ng anyo or magpalit pa yan ng balat, ganun at ganun pa rin yan. And this is something a safety, pangalagaan, protectionan mo ang sarili mo at ang iyong mahal sa buhay. No, kung ayaw mong masapawan at maagawa ng eksena. Ganon! What is Archangel Michael messages? Archangel Michael messages for you is something believe and trust. So, kailangan mo maniwala at magtiwala. And this is something spend more time outdoor. So, kailangan mong umalis, mag-unwind para mas refresh yung utak mo. No? Diyan ka talaga tinatarget with the mental. No? Kaya siguro nagkakaroon ka ng overthinking, being paranoid. And this is something lean on God and angel support. No? See? Ginagabayan ang ating Panginoon at sinusuportahan ka ng ating angel spirit guides. What is the chakra messages represent for you? Within the face. May humaharang talaga sa'yo. No? Mayroong talagang kumbaga humakad lang sa iyong pag-angat at pag-asenso. Why? Kasi naiinggit. I think this is something ka mag-anak or friend. Pero mas malaking factor pa rin ng friend eh. And this is something expansion na mas papalawakin ka. No? The more na parang hinakadlangan, mas lalo kang yumayabong at maaaring ngayon ay magtagumpay ka na. What is additional messages? And there is something book. No? Maaaring tatapusin yung chapter na to. Maaaring this is the end for your improvement. And this is something a teaching, no, a lessons. Marami kang bagay na dapat matutunan, marami kang bagay na malaman. 'Di ba? Para tayong nag-aaral pa rin sa buhay. No, marami kang bagay na dapat tuklasin at malaman sa paligid mo. Now, what is the Moonology? You are good enough. No, sapat ka na eh. No, hindi na para baguhin pa ang yung mga bagay or ang iyong attitudes, ang baguhin mo yung mga nasa paligid mo. And this is something that the end of the top cycle approaches. See? Kumbaga may mga nasa paligid mo na maaaring naging maling sistema na kaya siguro na inaabuso ka, kaya ka ginagangster. no? Naging mabait ka at naging matulungin ka, kaya ganito. Ginamit ka, pinaglaruan ka, at the end of the time, binackstab ka. And there's a recovery. Makaka-recover ka, don't you worry. There's a way. Marunong ka magantay. There's something no need to worry. No, hindi mo kailangan mangamba. Dahil may paparating ng bagong eksena. Diba? Magdudulot to sa'yo ng pagbabago. There's a bring you a successful situation. What is Archangel Raphael messages? Because this is something inner authority. Ibig sabihin dito, ang ating gabay ay nasa likod mo lamang, no? Ginagabayan ka sa lahat ng desisyon at gagawin mong action. What is additional messages with an angel spirit ganap? And because this is something right with enlightenment and divinity. See? This is something enlightenment. Maliliwanagin lahat ng mga bagay na malabo para sa'yo. Unti-unti mo makikita, no? Kung ano man yung mga bagay o dark side ng eksena. And this is something culmination with the happiness. Enjoy your life from the fullest. No? Kailangan mo maging masaya, no? Kung inaano ka para magdrama ka, para maglungkot-lungkutan ka, no. Stop overthinking and being paranoid. And this is something, a health and relationship. So see, dito ka tina-target with a relationship and health issues. Ano ba? Alam niya kung paano kanya tatargeted kasi alam niya kung saan ka mahina. What is additional messages for the energy? And there's a strategy, di ba? Gamitin mo ito ng strategiya para na sa ganun malaman mo kung ano ba talaga yung pinababatid sa'yo para malaman mo yung kahalagahan ng mga tao sa paligid mo, yung mga taong kumaga nagiging hadlang sa pag-angat mo or may mga suspecha ka na nararamdaman na may mga tao sa paligid mo na talagang sinisira ka patalikod or tinitira ka patalikod or else, anay, no? There's something strategy, clues, no? And of course, parang solutions, ganon. There's something journey, diba? Kumbaga, there's something bridge, but this is something the end of the light, diba? Makikita mo yung pinakaliwanag niya sa dulo at doon ka parating, doon ka papunta. No? And this is something financial constraint. Mag-ingat ka for financial. Talagang tinarget ka para mawala ka sa focus. Para magkaroon ka financial loss, ganon. Additional messages with an angel spirit, with the courage. No? Ini-encourage ka dito na alisin mo yung takot at pangamba mo. And there's something adversity. No? There's a lot of challenges. No? Ano man yung mga bagay o challenges sa buhay mo. Lot of mistakes and of course, kumbaga, obstacles. It's something, an opportunity to learn. Marami kang bagay na dapat matutunan dyan. Sa lahat ng lessons, experiences, no? Lahat ng mga bagay na may matututunan ka dyan. What is the romance angel? Service and what? Codependency. No? There's something addiction or affecting to your romantic life. No? Nakaka-apekto daw sa inyong relasyon ng something addictions. I think this is something obsession with your partner. Na maaaring may gusto sa partner mo or either there is something addiction like luho, sugal, bisyo, iwasan na po. Additional messages with an angel spirit. And because this is something baby step. No, action and follow your intuition. Lagi yung makikinig sa intuition and inner voice mo. And this is something weight of the world, no? There's a boundaries, no? Mag-set ka ng boundaries para nang sa ganun, hindi ka napasukan ng kahit anong negativities. What is the Jesus loving quotes? For the Jesus loving quote said, Jesus' loving quote said, I will not leave you comfortless, I will come to you. So, hindi kayo iwan ng ating Panginoon na luhaan or ng, parang, di ba, parang ano lang, na parang iiwan ka na lang sa ere, ganun. Hindi. Lahat ng mga bagay na mararanasan mo, isang proseso yan ng ating Panginoon para maging matagumpay ka. Tandaan mo, lahat ng sakit, kirot, lahat ng mga bagay na pinagdaan mo sa part na kung saan ka nalugmok, dun yung magiging kalakasan mo. A pain is your strength and strength is your power. Ganon. So let's see, what is an angel's number? Represent what? Angel's number represent what? 101 by starting over. See? Magsisimula ka ng panibago eksena at bibigyan ka ng mas malinaw ang katalinuhan at mas malinaw na eksena. Dynamics. This is something making a difference, no? Something changes, no? A spiritual development. So, happiness is a link to self-expression, to growth and experience. Learning how failure is a key. Happiness is real as possible and around, understand that its process and that pursuit of it. Joy is a fluid. It is the little things that the big ones feels are a fun start fresh. So see, hindi mo kailangan huminto kung ikaw ay nagkamali at nabigo, no? Tandaan mo, sa bawat kabiguan, may malalaman ka at may matututunan ka. Kaya kailangan sa bawat pagkakamali at bawat pagstisod at at kabiguan mo, kailangan marunong kang bumangon, no? Bawiin yung mga bagay na nawala sa'yo at tanggapin yung mga bagay na aalis sa'yo. What is the messages of life? This is something I am free. No? Papalayain ka talaga ng something na mas malaya pa. Ganun, parang bibigyan ka ng sariling pakpak na makakalipad ka on your own. Diba? And this is something today I find the veil of my ego has lifted and vision of my new life has appeared. Now, I am focused on my inner growth. I listen only to the voice of my heart and remain steadfast in the energy of love that I find there. I am now free of duality, fear, and judgment. I am move forward on my path to the inner field. So, diba, makakalaya ka. At talagang, kumaga, ikaw yung talagang magsisilbing mo. Kumaga, ang pakpak mo ang magsisilbing kumaga, kalayaan mo. Parang ganon. Parang makakalaya ka sa sarili mo. Parang, ikaw yung gagawa ng paraan para mapunta ka sa rurok ng tagumpay. Hindi ka tinulungan ng ninuman. Ikaw yung gumawa ng paraan para makaalis ka dyan. So, kumbaga ikaw naglagay sa sitwasyon mo, ikaw din yung makakagawa ng paraan para makalaya ka dyan sa situation mo. So, guys, this is something a weekly gabay for the month of December 18 hanggang December 24 for the sign of Capricorn. So, Capri, ma'am, salamat for this wonderful reading. So, once again, this reading is a general reading namang hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kung rin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo, and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagot. Because don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. And i-notification ba for more videos update. Because maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pag-support sa aking channel. Lalo na ang hindi nag-i-skip ng ads na way pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal. Siksik, liglig, nag-uumapaw na biyayang manong balik sa inyo. At maraming salamat po and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!